Hey, I'm Jay from Ohio Power Tool. I'm super excited to have Tim with Ridgid here show us the new FlexShaft.
Yeah, absolutely. So thanks for having us.
Yep.
We're really excited about FlexShaft. This is our newest drain cleaning machine that Ridgid is launching. So we did show it at the Wet Show at the end of February. First time the world got to see it, and then we'll be shipping these products in May. So this is really kind of a sneak peek as to where we are. But really what the FlexShaft drain cleaning machine is, it's a new tool for the drain cleaner's toolbox. So what it does is it uses FlexShaft cable technology. So you can see here the spinning cable, this cable inside, extremely flexible. And this cable is actually designed to spin at high speeds and go around turns and bends. So you can see how it's a perfect application within drain cleaning. Also utilizes a chain knocker. So as it spins, the chain knocker expands it, and you actually are cleaning to the wall of the pipe. So instead of just kind of poking holes, getting water, you're able to clean the water pipe. Actually, it's very similar to the way a jetter cleans. So this is the bigger one in the family. We also have a K9-204. So the 204 is 70 feet for 2 to 4 inch pipe, and the 102, the smaller brother, if you will, we don't have here today, is for 1 1/4 to 2 inch pipe up to 50 feet. We built this machine around the drain cleaner specifically. Yeah. And the idea was, how do we create productivity? How do we help them get their jobs done faster? And more importantly, one more job a day. If we're able to help them deliver one more job a day, that's significant.
Yeah.
But it's powered by a drill. Simply chuck the drill up into the center. This is where you get the speed and the torque. So high speed drain cleaner. Most other drain cleaners are high torque, big, powerful, heavy. Okay. Yep. This uses high speed. So kind of like a drill bit going into wood. Sure. You let the speed do the work and the tool do the work as you go in and you clear off the blockages. We're recommending any cordless drill with 1900 plus RPM. That'll give you enough speed and power to get the cable spinning at the speed needed in the pipe to give you the efficient cleaning.
This is kind of interesting because now the cable is completely enclosed.
Yes.
And I saw you using it with the camera.
Correct.
So is that, you can use it with the camera because it's not going to bind up with the cable?
It's a really cool part of the way this design is. Because the cable spins inside the sheath, what that does, it allows the camera to actually be down the pipe at the same time that you're cleaning. So you can actually watch as you clean with this. So what you would do is you go down the pipe with your camera and your FlexShaft. As you see a blockage in the pipe with your camera, pull the camera back, move the FlexShaft forward, and you could actually spin and watch FlexShaft clean within the pipe. Stop, look, did I get it? If not, go again. If you did, continue on. So you're actually inspecting and cleaning at the same time. If you think about productivity, instead of running a camera down the pipe, finding the blockage, pulling it back out, going back down, pulling it back out, did I get it? Again, productivity, we're helping to save time.
Is this gonna bind up this cable?
It's actually really flexible. So you can't kink a cable. It's designed for that. If you do go down and you end up binding up in roots, you'll feel it. So you actually have a lot of feedback coming from the tool as you're in.
Well, you can also see it if you have the camera.
You see it with the camera. So you'll feel it in the cable as you go in. You can feel it slowing down as it's getting into obstructions. You also feel it in the drill, so you're getting some feedback there. Yeah. And so if you go and you start binding up, what you do is you go let go, pull back a little bit, get high speed again, and then kind of go in slowly. Again, drill bit concept. Yeah. One of the ways we describe how to use this is it's not a brute force type tool. We kind of talk about two finger pushing, 2 finger cleaning. That's really all the force you need. You want the tool and the speed to do the work. FlexShaft is going to be extremely efficient for anything under 70 feet where you're getting into a soft blockage. It's phenomenal on grease because it cleans like a jetter, it cleans to the wall of the pipe. Yeah. So if you have grease buildup, and you go with the FlexShaft, you'll be in and out super quick and leave that pipe kind of almost in like new condition because you've truly cleaned the wall of the pipe. You have the 2 chain knockers. So the plain are regular chain knockers, have the rounded chain. These are designed, they can go in really any type of pipe. So if you're going into PVC, orange bird, clay, anything that might be a little softer, these are going to be ideal to clean the wall of the pipe, won't damage the pipe, no problems. The carbide tip chain knockers, which we sell as an additional accessory, these are ideal for a cast iron pipe where you have scale up or build up, because these sharp edges here will actually clean to the wall of the pipe and remove that scale. They're both sides are sharp, so you then going forward, or you can flip it in reverse and clean from the other way to really get it fully clean. Or if you're going to be getting into somewhere where there's you have some light roots, the carbide chain knocker is going to be the best to be able to cut through those.
Typically, you would go on a job, you'd lug your humongous sectional or drum machine in. Now you just get this little thing. How easy is it to set up?
Super easy. One of the things we want to do is one-trip drain cleaning. So you have your camera, your FlexShaft in one hand, backpack, with your gloves and things. So you're in and out real quick. So the FlexShaft, what you want to do is, once you carry it in, you'll put it in this position, lays flat. We have rubber feet on the bottom so it won't slide or anything. And then you have your push cable to go into your pipe. You just take your drill and just chuck it up tight. And then make sure your clutch setting's on. So what's going to happen is we recommend using cordless drill. Cordless drill is going to be ideal for this application, and with the clutch, what that's going to do is it's going to protect your cable. So even if you get into a blockage or anywhere where it binds up and you're not paying attention, the clutch will clutch out and it'll protect your cable. Then to kind of pull it back, get the speed back up, and go back in. So you simply clutch it up, and you're ready to go. You take your cable and you'll insert it in your pipe. So what we've got demonstrated here is one of the unique things that FlexShaft can do, because the chain knocker expands, we're going to be entering through an 1.5 inch opening, going into a 2-inch pipe, and I'll spin through here and clean it, and then into a 4-inch, and then back again. Very difficult to do with other drain cleaning devices. So typically with FlexShaft, you'd like to run it with water, so the water will flush things out. So we would have water running here if we could, going into the opening. And then, similar to a jetter, what you want to do with a FlexShaft is ideally you go push to the end until you get to your blockage or the end of the pipe. If you can kind of hold that with 2 hands. I'm going to then just go full throttle with my drill, and you'll see the chain expand and actually clean the wall of the pipe. So now I just move it back and forth, and I get a lot of feedback here as I go up and down the pipe while it's spinning, and you're literally cleaning the wall of the pipe. Now I'm going to bring it back, and I'm going to go from the 4-inch, and I'm going to keep it running, and you'll go into the 2-inch, and you'll see how it accelerates as it goes. So there you go. That's FlexShaft drain cleaning at its finest.
Thanks, Tim, for showing us the FlexShaft before it's even available.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us in, and we appreciate the opportunity to show your audience what's new from Ridgid and what they're expecting May 1st.
Yeah, May 1st. So we're going to hold them to that. Get your order in now at ohiopowertool.com, and we will be shipping them as soon as we get them. Thank you very much.
Thank you.